Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from your Binance account to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or moving funds for security, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or app and enter your credentials. Remember, always use a secure connection. Double-check that HTTPS is in the URL to keep your assets safe. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Look for USDT and click on it to open the details. Next, find and select the Withdraw option. Binance might prompt you to verify your identity or enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, at this stage. Definitely do this if you haven't, as it adds an extra layer of security against potential hacks. Now, enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. This is crucial. Triple-check the address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. You'll also need to specify the network, like TRC20 or ERC20, depending on your receiving wallet's compatibility. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, but be mindful of any withdrawal fees or minimum limits that Binance displays. After that, review all the details carefully. Binance will show you a summary of the transaction. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Finally, sit back and wait for the confirmation. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, you can check your receiving wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet in 2025. Crypto can be tricky, but with these steps, you're well on your way to managing your digital assets like a pro. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.